Hey guys, it's Melissa. In this video, I'm going to show you on a first look how easy it is to pull your PES files into Silhouette Studio and then use them for applique. Instead of fabric, I'm going to use HTV that I just had my Silhouette Cameo 5 cut, and then I use the new Artspira app to send directly to my Brother 2000. That is one of the awesome benefits of the 2000, which I actually upgraded recently from my 4x4 SE600, which I also love, but this one is great because of the technology built in. So after I stitched out the placement stitch, then I knew exactly where to put the HTV. It does the placement stitch, and then after that it's going to do that beautiful satin stitch. Now, the only thing that I would have changed, which again, this is a first look and the first time I was using it as well, but in the Artspira app, I could have easily added a name right in that split there. I didn't even have to have my own font or anything. It would have done it for me, but that's okay. So the key though is to just make sure that you don't change your design size at all so that your cutting machine and your sewing machine, your embroidery machine know exactly where to stitch. So if you are interested in learning more, there are tons of videos and tutorials coming. I have a lot on the SE600, but this one is brand new. And as you can see, this was just a sample that I tried and it came out great even on my first go at it.